Hello everyone and welcome back to our farm. If you caught our video last week, we bought a 1920 farmhouse on 12.5 acres in Montesano, Washington, which we have decided to name the Lavender and Fir Farmstead. And today we're going to take you on a tour of the inside. Plus, we're going to show you a few of the fun treasures that we found so far.
Welcome to the farmstead. Come on in. This is the house as we bought it. Here is the living room. This fireplace got added, and then they did a wood stove insert. It's in good condition. We'll use that. Here is the door to the upstairs. Then we move to the original dining room in the original house. I say original because there's an addition, and the original kitchen was turned into the dining room. Again, from the corner in the dining room, back to the living room. Got big, tall 9-foot ceilings. Into the dining room.
You guys, check out this awesome light fixture in the dining room. Should we keep that light fixture in our dining room, or should we get a new one? Comment below and let me know what you think. I have big plans for these cute shelves.
Like, maybe you can put things on them.
Yeah.
I'll give you a 360 of the dining room. Under the stairs, some neat built-ins. We have the old chimney right there. That's a chase for the plumbing there in the corner. One of Kai's favorite windows, looking out into the pasture. We got some snowball viburnum out there, an elm tree, lots of rhododendrons, looking out over our pasture and into the Willapa Hills.
Lots and lots of treasures.
So from the dining room to the kitchen. This wall used to be the exterior wall, and they made this addition. Kitchen. Here's the kitchen. This kitchen is part of the addition that has a bad powder post beetle infestation. The floor joists are all compromised. The plumbing drains into the crawl space. The ceilings are super wonky. I'll show you. You can kind of see some deflection there. And we're looking through the original kitchen, which is the dining room. And past that is part of the living room, which was the original dining room, I assume. Little eat-in nook area. That's where our panel is located. Just messing around with that a bit ago. So from the kitchen we have the pantry and laundry mudroom combination. I guess like a working pantry. So that's where the washer and dryer would go. The washers just drains into the flower bed. I love this super cool potato and fruit storage.
Take a picture of my little pumpkin.
So yeah. And here. Strange, deep, dark, spooky closet space. All part of the addition. Mudroom. And the dog. That's Missy. She's sweet. Okay. From the mudroom, I'll go back through the kitchen. Back through the dining room. There's Miss Macy. Can you wave hi, Macy? And through the weird entrance. Into this bedroom. So I said that looks out to the carport. But I said that this room had a door from the living room into here, I think at one time. But now it has this little tiny, maybe 6 foot tall door. Probably not even that because my head touches it and I'm not 6 foot tall. We're not sure of our floor plan yet, but we'll take out this paneling, the drop ceiling, the fluorescent lighting, take up the carpet. Here we go into the, I guess you'd call this the master bathroom, but the only bathroom downstairs. Which is also in the addition that we're tearing down and redoing. The floor is incredibly soft over there. Once again, there's Miss. Windows in 3. And that's downstairs. Here's a cool one, 1915 edition. Go back up. Upstairs. They're steep, narrow, and small. We come up into this mezzanine area. I'll turn around so you can see down. Would like to take out that whole doorway and that whole section there. So this is just open and tall. And then take up the carpet and expose the beautiful fur treads, which I'm very excited about and want to do right now, but Kaisa says I have to wear a mask. I don't have a mask with me. So I'm on the landing. Storage. Got the bathroom in the middle, closet to the right, bedroom to the left there, and there's a bedroom here. So bedrooms 1 and 2. Got 24-inch handrails. Definitely not to code. They make us nervous with the kids being around. And the reason we think that they're 24 inches is so that they don't interfere with the window at all. So maybe we'll change that. Okay, to bedroom number 2. We are calling this Little Dora's bedroom. There's a dog in here. Our dog. I can hear her.
Mama. Well, I'm gonna keep using.
Closet for this room. Beautiful view of the neighbor's pasture with the cows and the horses. The dog found a spot to snuggle up. Again, this is as we bought it. We have not brought anything here or taken anything out.
I'm gonna look on the shelf. Hey, I definitely want this. I'm gonna keep this in my room. Every treasure I'm gonna find in my room, I'm gonna put it on shelves. Even there. This way, okay?
Some beautiful evening light. This is facing west. Closet. Moving from Dora's bedroom, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, which Macy claimed instantly as hers. And you'll see why. It's pink. Macy loves pink. This is looking north, out over the road, in the driveway in the front. We're in the dormer that you see from the front. In this room, there's this thing here in the corner, and it is not the chimney, and I have yet to figure out what's in there. We'll rip into it. The closet in here. Me bumping into things. From bedroom number 2, Macy's room, to the upstairs bathroom. I think the fir floor continues in here. There's some cool details. Shelving up there. Probably update here. Vanity. Take the carpet out. Change this. Let's see, I don't know if you can see there. Got some stuff in there. It's next to the chimney. That will probably end up taking out, it is beyond repair. Check out the contents of this medicine cabinet. Some old stuff. And then a storage closet next to the storage closet. That concludes the upstairs and the inside of the house.
Well, we hope you enjoyed following us around as we showed you inside our new old farmhouse. Come back next week and we'll take you on a tour of the entire farm. We'll show you all the barns and all the cool stuff inside. See you next week. Thank you so much for watching. We would love to hear what you think of our farmhouse, so please leave a comment below. And if you liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive updates. As we tour the farm, I need to work on. Let's see what's in this cupboard.